In every corner of the world, millions of surgeries are performed each year. And at the heart of each surgery lies an unsung hero, the suture, a life-saving thread. At Lotus, a brand of TI Medical, we've redefined how sutures are made. Our mission is to empower surgeons with the finest medical devices, ensuring they have the reliability and precision they need to perform at their best. Our Class 10,000 ISO 7, in comparison to Class 100,000 ISO 8 sterile environment, is 10 times more sterile than most suture manufacturing facilities, significantly reducing bioburden pre-sterilization to ensure low pyrogen content on the product post-sterilization. Lotus was the first company in India to introduce a hermetically sealed peelable aluminum pouch for synthetic absorbable sutures, which was developed in association with DuPont USA. Lotus uses 300 and 400 series stainless steel needles in hard fiber, ensuring consistent sharpness from the first bite to the last. Our needles resist rust and maintain their sharpness and ductility throughout use. Our sutures are available as absorbable and non-absorbable sutures. Prolus polypropylene cardiovascular range is available with different types of needles to suit different surgical needs. Estilis for valve repair and replacement, available in pack of 10 and follow-up in pack of 4s and single foil. CV needles available in different wire diameter, suited for varied vessel diameters and surgeon preferences. Using state-of-the-art technology and rigorous quality control, we manufacture sutures that measures up to the highest standards. From raw material selection to final inspection, every step in our process ensures excellence. Each of our sutures is engineered with unique advantages, whether it's unmatched tensile strength, superior knot security, or exceptional handling. We tailor our products to meet the specific needs of every surgical procedure. Lotus has a unique sterilization process for synthetic absorbable sutures wherein all 4 sides of the suture foil are sealed, with one side having a window of medical-grade paper through which ETO and moisture are introduced for sterilization of the suture. This significantly reduces the chances of contamination. Each batch of synthetic absorbable sutures is subjected to the Carl-Fisher titrator test for measuring the moisture content on the suture, thereby ensuring optimal shelf life without degradation. At Lotus Surgicals, we are more than just medical device manufacturers. We are a partner in your surgical success. With our commitment to quality and innovation, we help make every surgery safer, more reliable, and ultimately more successful.